Hey guys, what's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about how to seriously boost your study game. I used to be that student who'd spend hours staring at textbooks without really getting anywhere. But over the years, I've cracked the code on effective studying. First up, goal setting and planning. It's not just about saying I'm going to study, it's about getting specific. Use apps like, Todoist or Notion to break down your study sessions into bite-sized, achievable tasks. Active learning is like your secret weapon for information retention. Instead of just reading your notes over and over, try summarizing key concepts in your own words. Create flashcards for important terms and use spaced repetition to review them. Apps like Anki are perfect for this. And don't forget about the Pomodoro Technique. It's a lifesaver for maintaining focus. Alright, so that's it for today. Give these techniques a shot and let me know how they work for you.